हेलो एवरीवन, आप सभी का आपके अपने चैनल सारस ट्यूटोरियल पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज मैं क्लास 10 के बच्चों के लिए 2021 का असेसमेंट एग्जामिनेशन का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेकर के आई हूँ और इस वीडियो में मैं आपको जनरल साइंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर दिखाऊंगी। क्योंकि जैसा कि मैं हमेशा ही बोलती हूँ, क्वेश्चन पेपर जितना आप सॉल्व करेंगे आपका मतलब उतना ही अच्छा प्रिपरेशन होगा, ठीक है। क्योंकि क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करने से क्या होता है कि आपको क्वेश्चंस का आइडिया हो जाता है कि कोई एक क्वेश्चन कितने टाइप से एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जा सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो प्लीज़ क्वेश्चन पेपर जितना भी मैंने डाला है चैनल पे सबको देखिए। अगर आपको लिंक नहीं मिल रहा है या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है ढूंढने में तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिएगा, मैं आपको लिंक शेयर कर दूँगी। और मेरे प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी बहुत सारे मतलब जो भी वीडियोस मैंने बनाया है उसका लिंक दिया रहता है, तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी आप देख सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो चलिए देखते हैं आज का ये क्वेश्चन पेपर जनरल साइंस का, ठीक है। और अभी प्री बोर्ड का क्वेश्चन पेपर नहीं है जनरल साइंस का इस ईयर, मतलब अभी जो प्री बोर्ड हो रही है जल्दी मैं दे दूंगी। प्री बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम का साइंस का पेपर अभी नहीं हुआ है, जैसे होगा मैं आपसे शेयर कर दूंगी, ठीक है। तो चलिए पहला देखते हैं। फॉर ईच इक्वेशन गिवन बिलो 4 आंसर्स आर गिवन, आउट ऑफ 4 ओनली 1 आंसर इज करेक्ट, सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, 10 क्वेश्चंस 10 मार्क्स। हियर आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू से यू ऑप्शंस, सो प्लीज़ आप लोग ऑप्शंस को देख लीजिएगा। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, सॉल्यूशन टर्न्स रेड लिटमस ब्लू, its pH is likely to be. Okay, then B, which of the following metals react vigorously with oxygen? Then C, which of the following is not a correct statement about trends when going from left to right across the periods of the periodic table? Okay, then ये ऑप्शन है उसके, देख लीजिए। Okay, then question number D, the enzyme contained by our saliva is called. Then question number E, the part of the brain that control the posture and equilibrium of our body is. Then F, during the course of evolution, the process by which the characters feature of the member of a species modify due to the influence of various factors and then give rise to the organism with new characteristics feature is called. Options are speciation, evolution, inheritance and variation. Then G, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be. ये क्वेश्चन 2019 में भी पूछा गया था। Then the least distance of distinct vision for a young adult with normal vision is about. Then SI unit of electrical charge is joule, coulomb, second, ohm. Then J, which of the following is not an example of biomass energy source? Wood, gobar gas, nuclear energy and coal. Then question number 2, section B, give an example of a double displacement reaction. This is also a very important question. Okay, what is the ductility of a metal? Dutility of a metal, sorry. Question number 4, which of the following hydrocarbons undergo addition reaction? Then 5, what is dominant character? 6, what is meant by power of accommodation of the eye? Then take 2 gram of calcium oxide in a beaker, slowly add water to it, answer the following. What will be the change of temperature? And write the balanced chemical reaction for the above statement, or translate the following statement into chemical equation and then balance it. Then question number 8, you are given 2 solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 5 and pH of the solution B is 10. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these solution is acidic and which one is basic? Okay, then question number 9. Name the respiratory pigment. Name the respiratory pigment. pigment present in our blood state its functions, or how is the small intestine designed to absorb digested food. Then 10, what would be the consequences of a deficiency of hemoglobin in our bodies, or what are the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Then 11, what is reflex, why reflex are developed in animals, or right to difference between axon and dendrite. Then 12, describe the process of fissions in unicellular organism, or what is the importance of DNA copying in reproduction. Then 13, light enters from air to glass having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in the glass? Then 14, a current of 0.5 A is drawn by a filament of an electric bulb for 10 minutes. Find the amount of electric charge that flows through the circuit. Then 15, what is electromagnetic induction? Write the principal difference between AC generator and DC generator. Then 16, give any two ways in which non-biodegradable substance would affect the environment. Then 17, how can you help in reducing the problem of waste disposal? Then 18, define exothermic and endothermic reaction. Give one example. Then B, why should a magnesium ribbon be cleaned before burning in air? Then 19, you have been provided with 3 test tubes. One of them contains distilled water, and the other two contain as acidic solution and a basic solution respectively. If you given by red litmus paper, how will you identify the contents of each test tube? Then 20A, which element has 2 shells, both of which are completely filled with electrons? Then B, which element has electronic configuration 2.8.3? Then which element has a total of 3 cells with 4 electrons in the valence cell? Then 21, nitrogen and phosphorus belongs to group 15 of the periodic table. Write the electronic configuration configuration of these two elements. Which one of these will be more electronegative and why? Then 22, how does nerve impulse travel in our body? Then 23, draw a label diagram of longitudinal section of an ideal flower. Then how is the sex of a child determined in human being? Then 22A, draw the ray diagram to show how hypermetropia is corrected. Then define presbyopia. 26A, name a device that helps to maintain a potential difference across a conductor. Then B, how can 3 resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of 4 ohm, 1 ohm? ठीक है. Next 27, explain the underlying principle of electronic generator by drawing a label diagram. Draw a label diagram of an electronic motor and explain its principle and working. Then 28, what are the qualities of an ideal source of energy? Give the names of energy source that you would consider to be exhaustible. Then 29, explain the formation of sodium chloride by transfer of electrons, and what are the ions present in sodium chloride. Then what are amphoteric oxide? Amphoteric oxides. Give 2 example of amphoteric oxides, or give the name of a metal which is liquid at room temperature. Then B, you are given hammer, a battery, a bulb, wire and a switch. How would you use them to distinguish between sample and metal and non-metal? sample of metal and non-metal. Then C, a student took sulfur powder on a spatula and heated it. He collected the gas evolved by investing a test tube over it. What will be the action of the gas on the following? Then dry litmus paper, moist litmus paper. Then 30A, why is conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid is oxidation reaction. Then B, name the following compounds. See the reactions. Then or what is homologous series, explain with example. Then B, draw the structure of the following compounds. Hexanyl, propanone. Then C, name two hydrocarbon which give addition reaction. 31, name the parts of the excretory system in human. Describe the mechanism of urine formation and elimination. Or what is photosynthesis? What are the event that take place during the process? How does plant absorb carbon dioxide? Then 32A, draw the ray diagram of image formation by a concave mirror when the object is placed and its centers of curvature. Then B, an object 5 cm in length is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position of the image, its nature and size. Or why a convex mirror is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles. A convex mirror used for rear view on an automobile has a radius of curvature of 4 meter. A bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror. Find the position of the image. And the last one, internal assessment. Okay, I hope आप लोगों को ये सारे क्वेश्चन से हेल्प करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ क्वेश्चंस को देखिएगा और कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिए ताकि और कुछ भी हेल्प चाहिए तो प्लीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कीजिएगा. और तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर. चैनल को शेयर करते रहिए.